Hello everyone and welcome back to our space. Today I want to ask you a very personal question. Do you feel like you are running in circles with your English? You study the words and you practice the grammar. Yet you still feel like the same person who is afraid to speak. You feel like you are trapped inside an old version of yourself. But what if I told you that your past does not define your future? What if the only thing stopping you is the story you tell yourself? Today, we are going to break that story apart. We are going to learn how to stop being your old self. It is time to rewrite your future and find your true voice. Let us begin this journey together right now. Many of us carry a heavy weight when we try to learn something new. For you, that weight might be the frustration of not being fluent yet. You remember every time you made a mistake in front of others. You remember the silence when you wanted to say something beautiful. These memories build a wall around your potential. You start to believe that you are just not good at languages. You tell yourself that you are the person who forgets words. This is a very common struggle, and it feels very lonely. But I want you to look at your life differently today. Learning English is not just about memorizing new words. It is about shedding an old identity that no longer serves you. The version of you that is shy and afraid is just a habit. And habits can be changed with patience and determination. We are going to explore how to let go of that old skin. We will look at how to step into a new reality. A reality where you speak with confidence and ease. Please take a deep breath and listen closely to these words. Your transformation starts the moment you decide to change. Lesson 1 is about the power of your current story. Every morning you wake up and you decide who you are. Most people choose to be the person they were yesterday. They think about their old mistakes and they feel the same old fear. If you tell yourself that you are bad at English, then you will be. Your mind listens to the words you say about yourself. Think about a small child learning to walk for the first time. The child falls down many times, but the child does not feel shame. The child does not say that they are a failure at walking. They simply get up and they try to move their feet again. As adults, we lose this simple and beautiful way of thinking. We turn a small mistake into a big part of our identity. But you must realize that a mistake is just an event. A mistake is not a reflection of your soul or your intelligence. It is time to stop identifying with your past struggles. Let us start to see each day as a completely clean page. Now let us move to lesson 2, which is about the environment of your mind. Imagine your mind is a garden that you must take care of every day. If you plant seeds of doubt, then you will grow a forest of fear. But if you plant seeds of hope, then you will grow confidence. Many students fill their minds with negative thoughts about progress. They focus on how far they have to go instead of how far they have come. This creates a feeling of being overwhelmed and very tired. You cannot build a bright future if you are always living in the shadows. Try to change the way you talk to yourself in private moments. Instead of saying, "I cannot speak," yet try saying, "I am learning to speak." This small change in your language creates a huge shift in your heart. It moves you from a place of being stuck to a place of movement. When you change your internal words, you change your external world. You begin to notice opportunities that you missed before. You start to hear the music of the language instead of just the rules. This is how you begin to build a bridge to your new self. But there is a specific secret to making this change permanent. Let us go even deeper into the psychology of your growth. Lesson 3 is about the small actions that change your soul. Many people wait for a big moment of magic to happen. They wait for a day when they will suddenly wake up feeling brave. But confidence is not something that falls from the sky. Confidence is a result of doing small things with great love. It is the result of showing up even when you feel afraid. Think about the last time you avoided a conversation in English. You felt a pinch in your chest and you stayed silent. In that moment, you were protecting your old self. You were keeping yourself safe in a very small world. To grow, you must be willing to feel a little bit of discomfort. You must be willing to sound like a beginner to become a master. Every time you speak a sentence, you are casting a vote for your future. You are telling the universe that you are ready for more. Do not wait for the perfect grammar or the perfect accent. Perfect does not exist, and it is often the enemy of progress. Focus on connection instead of focusing on perfection. When you focus on the person you are talking to, the fear fades away. Now let us look at Lesson 4, which is the art of visualization. Your brain does not always know the difference between a dream and reality. If you spend time imagining your success, you prepare your body for it. Close your eyes for a moment and see the future version of you. This person is standing tall and speaking English with a smile. They are not worried about small errors because they feel free. They can express their thoughts and share their unique stories. How does that person walk, and how does that person breathe? You must start to act like that person right now in this moment. Do not wait for the fluency to arrive before you feel the pride. Feel the pride of the journey while you are still on the path. When you act like the person you want to be, you become that person. This is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. It is a slow process, but it is a very powerful one. Lesson 5 is about the company you keep within your own head. Are you your own best friend, or are you your own worst critic? Most English learners are very hard on themselves. They say things to themselves that they would never say to a friend. If your friend made a mistake, you would encourage them. You would tell them that it is okay and to keep going. You must learn to give that same kindness to yourself. A frustration is just energy that is looking for a direction. Use that energy to study one more page or listen to one more song. Do not let the frustration turn into a wall that stops your heart. Transformation is not a straight line that goes up forever. It is a series of small circles that lead you to a higher place. You are doing much better than you think you are doing. And very soon you will see the fruits of your hard work. But there is one final piece of the puzzle we must discuss. It is the most important lesson for anyone who wants to change. Lesson 6 is about the courage to let go of the shore. Imagine you are standing at the edge of a wide and deep river. On one side is your old self and the comfort of your native language. On the other side is the new you and the freedom of English. Many people spend their entire lives standing on the old shore. They look across the water and they wish they were on the other side. But they are afraid to get their feet wet, and they are afraid of the current. They hold on to their old identity because it feels safe and familiar. To reach the other side, you must be willing to let go of the ground. You must accept that you will feel lost for a little while. You must accept that you will make sounds that feel strange in your mouth. This is the price of transformation, and it is a price worth paying. Your old self wants to protect you from the pain of being judged. But your old self is also keeping you away from your greatest dreams. When you stop caring about being judged, you become truly powerful. You realize that most people are actually cheering for your success. They see your effort and they respect your bravery. They do not see your mistakes because they are busy looking at your heart. So I want you to decide today to leave the shore behind. Walk into the water with your head held high and your eyes open. Trust that you have the strength to swim and the spirit to survive. Every word you learn is a stroke that pulls you closer to the new land. The water might be cold at first, but soon you will feel the sun. You will realize that the river was not a barrier, but a path. And once you reach the other side, you will look back and smile. You will see that the person you were was just a shadow of who you are now. You are a creator, and you are the architect of your own destiny. Do not let another day pass by while staying in the same place. The future is waiting for you to arrive and speak your truth. Now let us bring all of these lessons together into one final thought. We have traveled a long way together in these few minutes. You have looked at your fears, and you have looked at your dreams. I want you to take a moment to feel the silence around you. In this silence, you can choose to leave your old self behind. The frustration you felt at the beginning is starting to change. It is turning into a quiet and steady hope for your future. You are not the same person who started watching this video. You now carry the knowledge that you are in control of your story. English is no longer a giant mountain that you cannot climb. It is a beautiful path that you are walking one step at a time. Remember that change does not happen all at once in a loud explosion. It happens in the quiet moments when you choose to try again. It happens when you decide to be kind to yourself after a mistake. You are rewriting your future with every breath and every word. Believe in the person you are becoming because that person is strong. That person is capable of connecting with the whole world. Your journey is unique, and it is very important. Do not compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Just keep moving forward with a light heart and a clear mind. The horizon is bright, and you are ready to meet it. If these words touched your heart today, then let us stay connected. We are a community of learners who are growing together. Please like this video to help other students find this message. Subscribe to our channel so we can continue this journey side by side. Write a comment below and share one thing you want to change today. Tell us about the new version of yourself that you are creating. Share this video with a friend who feels stuck or overwhelmed. Sometimes one simple message can change a person's entire life. Thank you for spending your precious time with me today. Keep practicing and keep believing in your own power. You are doing a wonderful job, and I am very proud of you. I will see you in our next lesson.